Next we move adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common side and a common vertex. Okay, that common vertex called as corner point, and don't overlap. Listen here, I am showing in diagrammatic. Okay, AB is one of the side. Okay, BD is another one of the side. BC is another one of the side. Listen here. Okay, two angles. Here you are getting one angle. Here you are getting one angle. Okay, so two angles are adjacent when they have a common side. Listen here. This angle and this angle commonly have one side. That common side is BC. Common side is BC. And a common vertex is have. What is a common vertex? B is a common vertex. This is common side. BC is a common side. Okay. B is a common vertex. Common vertex or common corner point. Okay. So if like that, those two angles are called as adjacent angles. Okay. Whenever two angles are adjacent means those two angles have commonly one side and common vertex. Okay. Then only we can say those two angles are adjacent angles. Okay. Next we move linear pair angles. Two adjacent angles where the sides that are opposite rays. Okay. Two adjacent angles. Okay. Surely those two angles are adjacent. Then where the sides that are opposite rays. Okay, listen here. This is one line. Okay, here I am taking A. This is B. This is C. Okay, AB is one of the ray. AC is another one of the ray. Okay, listen here. Here only LS. So that while you are considering this will be AB ray. Supposed to be you are taking here means that will be AC ray. Okay, opposite rays. Next I am going to make one line. Okay, listen, this is another one ray. Listen here. Here I am taking A, B, C, so the point will be D. Okay, AD is another one of the line. Okay, this line splitting the angles. Okay, with the same. Listen here. This is 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Listen here, now 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Why means both the angles have the common side is AD and a common vertex is A. Okay, so if like that, one is a linear pair of 2, one is a linear pair of 2. Listen here, two adjacent angles. These two are adjacent angles with where the sides that are opposite rays. Here the sides are, one is AB, another one is AC. So those two rays are opposite rays, so that only these two angles are called as linear pair angles. Okay. Whenever linear pair angles means the addition will be 180 because this is one of the straight line. Straight line means the total angle will be 180. Vertically opposite angles. When two straight lines intersect each other at a point, the pairs of opposite angles so formed are called as vertically opposite angles. Okay, listen here. This is one straight line. Okay, this is I am taking as AB line. Okay, another straight line. This is XY line. Okay, this is XY line. Okay, those two lines intersect at one point. This point I am taking as P. Okay, here you are getting four angles. This is one, that is I am taking as my convenience A. This is B. This is C. This angle I am taking as D. Okay, listen here. Two straight lines intersect at one point. That point I am taking as P. One of the straight line AB, another one of the straight line XY. Those two intersect at the point of P. Okay, making four angles. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, listen here. This is opposite of this angle. This is opposite of this angle. Okay, A is the vertically opposite angle of C. B is the vertically opposite angles of D. Okay, listen. We know that since XY is one of the line, XY is a line. Okay, in that line one line intersected. Okay, that means B is adjacent of A. B is adjacent of A. Okay, angle B plus angle A equal to 180 because of linear pair. Because of linear pair. Why I am writing linear pair means, listen, XY is one of the line. Okay, whenever any line intersect, any line cross one of the straight line means making two angles means those lines are called as linear pair. Those lines are called as what? Linear pair. Just before I explained. Okay, so listen, this is taken as 1. Now you are considering the AB line. AB is also a line. AB is also a line. Okay. So once you are considering the AB line means here another one line is intersected, that is PY line. Okay, so here B and C are adjacent angles of this straight line. Okay, that means that is also the addition of those two angles equals 180 because of linear pair. Because of linear pair. Okay, now this is taken as 2. Listen, now you have to compare 1 and 2. In first equation and second equation, both equations have the right hand side as 180. That means you have to directly compare left hand sides. Okay, from 1 and 2, okay, angle B plus angle A equal to angle B plus angle C. Listen, you have to bring that angle B in that side. B cancel, we'll get it angle A equal to angle C. Angle B and angle B equal to cancel, we'll get it directly angle A equal to angle C. Listen here, angle A is vertically opposite to the angle C, angle B is vertically opposite to the angle D. That means vertically opposite angles always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, so using this concept you have to do exercise 5.1 homework. Okay, that's all the session. Thank you, children.